Did you know Egypt's most powerful female pharaoh had to wear a fake beard to rule? Her name was Hatshepsut, and she pulled off one of history's greatest disguises. When her husband died, she was supposed to help her young stepson Thutmose III become pharaoh. Instead, she put on men's clothes, strapped on an artificial beard, and declared herself pharaoh. For 22 years, she ruled Egypt while pretending to be a man. She built more monuments and temples than almost any pharaoh in history. Egypt grew rich and powerful under her rule, but when she died, her stepson finally got his revenge. Thutmose III spent decades hunting down every statue of Hatshepsut and smashing them to pieces. He scratched her name off temple walls and tried to erase her from history completely. His plan almost worked. For thousands of years, no one knew about Egypt's greatest female ruler. Then archaeologists started finding her broken statues buried in the sand. Piece by piece, they uncovered the truth about the woman who fooled an entire empire.